Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In today's video, I will show you how to disable automatic restart after a Windows 11 update. Sometimes Windows 11 automatically restarts your computer after installing updates. This can be annoying, especially if you are working on something important or if your PC restarts when you are not ready. Fortunately, Windows 11 allows you to stop automatic restart after updates, and you can do it in just a few simple steps. So let's get started. First, press Windows plus I key on the keyboard to open Windows 11 settings. After that, select Windows Update in the left sidebar. On the right, click on Advanced Options. Here you will find a setting called Active Hours. Windows will not automatically restart your device during these active hours. Click on Active Hours and adjust this one. Adjust active hours automatically to manually. Now you can set a start time and end time. After that, you can close these setting apps. You can click and change this one timing. Suppose from 9 a.m. to you want up to 10 p.m. you don't want to restart your PC, so you will set here a start time 9 a.m. and end time 10 p.m. Set it and close the setting apps. That's it. Now your computer will not automatically restart during your active hours after installing updates. I hope you found this video helpful. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to GearUpWindows for more Windows tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.